Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about TrueFire online guitar lessons. This is something that is similar to like Guitar Tricks, Jam Play, Jamarama, Artist Works, and things like that, Fender Play, and just online guitar lessons. So basically how it works. Here's a video. I'm not going to play it because you can go out to the same page and check it out yourself. You get a free 30-day all-access trial to where you can check out the entire site, what they offer, and decide for yourself whether or not you want to upgrade to the next level and continue to have the all access. Okay, so you can join for free. I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can join for free through that link. Okay, so there's courses. There's 3 ways to learn, practice, and play. So you could take courses with interactive video software for self-study. And again, here's an example. Let's see what they say.
Drawing from a massive library of over 22,000 individual video lessons, TrueFire's video software courses span virtually every style of guitar across every level of play, from beginner to pro advanced.
Okay? So you get a little idea of, they have a lot. They have self-study instruction. You can craft your own study program and work through an interactive video course from beginning to end, or cherry pick your favorite lessons. There's a comprehensive curriculum, interactive video lessons, offline and online accessibility. So you could go here and browse courses. I'm going to open it up in a new window. So you have popular styles and topics: beginner, blues, jazz, rock, country, blues rock, and so on. Here's some reviews from real customers. Here are the courses and what they're for. So you've got like beginner, late beginner, intermediate, and advanced in some cases. And then here's the educator, and then when they were released. And let's see, it has video. Let's see what okay, this is pre-order, so they're not even available yet. So I've got quite a few courses, as you can see scrolling here. Then you've got workshops, specific topic specific 8-week online programs, and you can browse the workshops here. Okay, you can choose your instructor. For those workshops, you can learn guitar, bass guitar, banjo, ukulele, drums, songwriting, and more. This is more compatible with something like Artist Works that has opportunities to learn multiple types of instruments. And then classrooms, one-on-one instruction, customized lesson plans, video messaging, social learning environment. And then you can choose your different classrooms that you want. Again, choose your instructor. There's some testimonials. Begin your journey. They also have the app is available for both Google or Android and iPhone or iOS, which is Apple. You have a satisfaction guarantee, and if you have any questions, they do have support. So let's go back up here, and so you have learning paths. Watch a video about it. So you can learn the acoustic, learn jazz, country, rock, Let's see what rock is. I'm going to go ahead and open it up in a new window. I like rock and roll. So you can pick what you want. Okay, so again, there's videos. And it says first steps for beginners, next steps for beginners, quick start for beginners. And this looks like it might be more, well, there's acoustic as well. Core course. And again, with your all access 30-day free trial, you can have access to all of this information as well. All right, so you've got jams, jam tracks. That you can play along with. The key that it's in, A minor, B flat, B minor, C, E. I also wrote an article about ways to make money playing your guitar. I'll leave a link in that description. I have several friends that make money playing their guitar, and I play it just for leisure. But I know that if I wanted to, I could go out and make money. And, I would be happy just going to a downtown area and playing my guitar and getting tips. That would be cool and fun. But some people, they play, they get gigs. They sit in with bands who need an extra guitar player. You could also do your own music and upload it to video or audio and sell those. You can sit in with a jam session for recording studio and things like that. You can write music and sell it. So there's a number of different ways. So you can take a look at that article if you want. And but if you're thinking about playing guitar, doesn't matter how old you are. Doesn't matter if you're 50 years old. If you want to learn how to play guitar, it's not that hard. Okay, and there's also suggestions on different types of equipment you can buy and things like that you can look at on my website as well. And there's a lot of information here. There's a forum you could check out. There's ebooks, DVD, assets, audio lessons, a blog, a riff journal. Let's see what Channels is all about. TrueFire Channels, connect with your favorite articles or your favorite artists. Explore all channels. Let's see where that takes us. Okay, let's go check out this guy. Okay, so they have channels on the website itself that you can check out. So you've got the courses, which is quite a few. They've got different types of instruments, topics, series. You've got learning paths, private lessons, jam tracks. You can refer a friend and get paid if you refer a friend. And then there's live events. The channels, and then the educators. You can look at their bios and things like that. Learn more about them. And it's also broke down by instrument. And then you've got the other ones that I just covered. So let's go to, if you want to upgrade, again, this is 30 days of the free trial, all access free trial. And then if you decide at the end of the 30 days you want to continue, you could do a monthly, an annually, or a lifetime. Okay, and this is all access. So $29 a month, billed monthly would come to $348 a year. Annually, you would save $149, and it would cost you $249, and then lifetime would cost you $2,500. So let's see how much you would save if you did the lifetime. Okay, so the $249 for, let's see how many years that would actually pay for. So $24.99 divided by $249. Okay, so that would be no way, that's not right. I know that's not right. $24.99 divided by $249. Okay, so that's basically 10 years that covers. And you may not even need, it will depend on you as an individual. Okay? So the lifetime access may not even be something that you would be interested in. But if you want to take guitar lessons for, say, a couple of years, the $249 annual would be your best bet. Now, there's other places like Jam Play. I'll leave a link down in the description of that video. Of this video, you can also go out and check out Jam Play. And that's the other one that I highly recommend. And but this is TrueFire. And, it's a pretty good deal. Looks like it has a lot of lessons, 40,000 plus lessons, 30,000 tabs and notations, 20,000 plus jam tracks, all styles and skill levels, 200 plus top educators, any device, anytime, anywhere you have available. It's available to you 24/7, 365. So even if you're traveling somewhere and you have your guitar and you want to take some lessons while you're traveling, you can do that as well. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget about the links in the description of this video.